Miss Mizoram Champhai district crowning was held on 28 January 2020. Lalmuansangi Varte has been crowned as Miss Mizoram Champhai 2020. Lalmuansangi will represent Champhai district in the upcoming Miss Mizoram 2020. Miss Mizoram 2020 is organized by Zonet Cable TV in association with Mizoram Journalist Association MZA. The Grand Pageant event is sponsored by RFL and also co-sponsored by Oriflame Mizoram. Contestants are aged between 18 to 25, unmarried or not engaged female who is a permanent resident of Mizoram. Okay guys, please subscribe this channel for more stories on Miss Mizoram 2020. We'll post more videos on Miss Mizoram in our next episode.